Hey, hey, what's up? Yeah, I was itching to play a bit more Resident Evil 7. Maybe Jack's still around. I'll show him. Oh, there he be. Think he saw me? I'm gonna sneak up and stab that motherfucker. Oh, hey.
Where in the hell you think you're going to, son?
I'm not going nowhere. Why you so mad all the time, huh? I wanna get this damn shot. Ah! You know, it always goes that way. Calm down, dude. Come on. You always gotta be overreacting. Trying to play pool. What a jerk. I'm just trying to play pool.
Here it comes!
Take that, you dirtbag. Go take a shower. Yeah, whatever. I'm not afraid of him. I'm exploring. Poke you right in the fucking head. I'll watch him kill me. Oh no, not my head. Oh!
I don't know what she ever saw in you.
That's what you get for playing around. Oh, the Mia VHS. Mamma Mia. We gotta do it.
You think that's gonna do you any good?
You get me, dumb idiot. I gotta get that VHS tape. Heh, dumbass. Alright, well, let's do the Mia tape. Yeah, we'll just sit here. It doesn't matter if Jack comes in. Jack comes in and he's just like, well, he's watching a VHS. I'll just stand around for a bit until he's done. I wouldn't want to be rude. Oh, hey. Mamma Mia.
Ethan, if you find this, I know I can't expect anything from you. Not after what happened. After
Yeah,
what I did.
you're right.
But I just want you to know that wasn't me. I don't know what happened. There's so much they
What's she talking about?
There you are. You gave us quite a scare, young lady.
Get her, Marguerite.
I can't let her catch me again.
Oh, hey, Marguerite, what are you doing?
Gotcha! Get back to your room right now!
I just wanted to see her bust through the gate. Weird. You're so bony. Oh, man. No, I want to go in there, damn it.
Over here, Mommy.
I'm scared. Leave me alone, little girl. No, don't blow the candles out. No, I don't want to be scared.
I am sick and tired. Oh, sick and tired.
Oh, shit.
I need to hide.
I am hiding. Shut up, I'm hiding.
Putting me through this. What have I done to deserve this except open my home and feed you?
She's got a point. She did feed us. Go. Hurry up, lady.
I don't understand you at all,
I'm scared. Let's run away. Mamma mia.
This house has seen more than
Whoa. I don't remember that.
just don't understand.
Oh, this is just what I need.
Or is it that you just don't care?
Oh, she doesn't find us.
I know you and Zoe are plotting. I know you were scared. You think I don't know what you want to do with that boy, Ethan?
Get out of here, lady.
I'll feed you to my babies and fertilize the garden with what was left.
She's freaking out. Feed you to my garden, you little whore.
We open our home. We open our hearts. And what do you do?
Oh man, that was scary. Hope she stays away. Alright. Thank God. I was so scared. Let's see what I make a spider. A spider web. This lady's all about bugs, huh? She's in there. Right there. She's right there. Thought I remember there being a bunch of bugs here or something. There was like something gross that happened here. Oh, I'm probably thinking of when Ethan comes through here. That's probably it. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. I'm a stupid man.
Your family,
Oh,
goddamn.
damn it.
You!
Oh,
All
calm
you
down.
have to do is accept her fucking gift!
Whoa! Such harsh language.
We love you! Why can't you see that?
Whoa. Getting a little close.
Embrace us! There are known unknowns here, and you are not paying fucking attention! You think little Evie's gonna put up with your shit forever?
Put up with your shit.
No! You don't fucking try and escape your share of the blame!
Damn, she
There's no
pissed.
way out of there, Missy!
You know Jack's gotta put up with that shit. When she gets going, he's like, damn, Marguerite, calm down. Looks like it's part something. Oh no. I'm scared. Help me. Got that blow face going
Where
on.
do you think you're going?
Run, Mia, run. Oh no. Bye-bye, Mia. Hey, Jack, I gotta have a question for you. What are you doing with my girlfriend, huh? Who the fuck do you think you are? Can I pet the deer? Oh, it's majestic. What we got here? Some snacks in here? Nah, just big old thing of maggots. It's just not my thing. Oh, a coin. Wow. Wow, Mia, nice art. Mia drew this. Looks like a kid drew it. Mia, you fucking idiot. Can't you draw anything? Vacation and husband and wife. The husband was a success. He's the 12th. Unfortunately, the wife is no good, so we'll just get rid of her. 3 college girls. They're all rotten. Lucas is a damn idiot. Homeless man. Turned in 3 days. He's the 13th.
What the?
Oh shit, I always forget about that. Yeah, alright, here we are. Now we got these boys to contend with. Moldy boys. Can they get through doors? Yeah, they open that for you. Come on through. Don't do that. Whoa. Stop covering your face. Dude, these guys are a pain in the ass. But don't worry, I can shoot them in the head. They're not immortal, that's for sure. Oh jeez, this is all coming back to me now. Oh, things are about to get fun, aren't they? Oh, mamma mia. Okay, so we're gonna have to go in here, though. Oh, man. Alright, things are getting moldy. Oh, yeah, that's right. Get out of here, dude. Oh, they are so quick. Nope. Don't do it. Ooh, that was a lucky shot. It's a big hunk of mold. Stretch you on. God damn it. Lucas, I called the guy who keeps trying to escape. I've locked him up in the leftmost incinerator so he can't get away again. Take him out when he's ready. You know how to open the door, don't you? Just remember, 3 A's and a handprint. Do what you want with this girl. 3 A's and a handprint. Oh, 3 A's? Okay. Yeah, I'm smart, I know. I know something bad's gonna happen. Oh, this is Travis. This is the dude who wrote that letter. Come on out, Travis. Whoa, get out of my face, Travis. Calm down. Travis, you're pretty strong, bro. I don't like him. He's got a big thing on his arm. Stay away. I need that shotgun. Oh. No, die. Don't come any closer. Let's run. Alright, Travis. Sure are a tough guy. Hey, I wasn't worried. Alright, that's the key. Oh, hey there, guys. Oh, yep, come on out. Gotta be quick. Open that door, Jeebus. Did they go away? Haha. Oh, that spawned them right there. Alright, we'll just let them hang out there. It's fine. Feel like we missed something. Where is the scorpion key? Is it in here? I'm about to feel stupid. Yeah. Gee, maybe I should have tried that in the first place. Ah, damn it, I'll just smack these boxes around. Why am I so stupid? Oh, what do we got here? Yeah, that's thinking. That's using the old noodle there. Being a smart boy. No treasure photo? Man, this game's got some good noises. It'd be too easy. Whoa, shit ass. What the hell are you doing? Oh, good shot. Nice shooting, Tex. That was a really good shot. Don't you jump at me, you little shit. You big shit. Come here, you moldy motherfucker. You look like a happy boy. Alright, so I got that key now. How exciting. Let's use that left pick. What's it gonna be? Oh, good. Actually, I need that. I love the hand animations. It's really, it's a nice little detail. But I gotta say, it's nothing new. Harry did that in Silent Hill 1. Oh yeah, that's a badass looking key too. Is Jack still around?
I'm gonna squash you.
Whoa, goddamn, dude.
We didn't hear that.
Popped out of nowhere. What an asshole.
Where are you?
Where are you? Shut up, Jack. Oh, let's go get that shotgun. There it is. Ours for the taking. Oh yeah, I'm gonna fuck some shit up. Best believe. Shut that door. How is this? Dear Mrs. Baker, how have you been feeling recently? It's been a long time since you came in for your last checkup. I'm writing to tell you that I've finished examining your x-rays. Those dark areas in your cranium are fungus-like structures that seem to be related to mold. The hallucinations and noises you said you've been hearing may be related to these growths. If your symptoms are due to a fungal parasite, it must be removed before it is too late. I don't mean to scare you, but I'm seriously concerned for your health. Please come to the hospital as soon as you read this letter. As your doctor, I strongly recommend you undergo further tests. Crawford Lang, Dolby General Hospital. Thank you, Mr. Doctor Man.
I'm starting to get hungry again.
Oh, this is a broken. This is a broken one. That's okay, I know how to do it. Oh, my dentures. My dang dentures. I'm tired of chasing all these shitheads around the yard.
It's all too fun.
The next time one of our guests runs away, hide the dog head release so they can't get out of the house. Let's hide them like this. Living room grandfather clock. The book in the recreation room. The dissection room in the basement. Oh, that'll strike up. Oh yeah, fucking lock and load. There we go. That's how you do it. Jack, where you at, stupid ass? He's gonna pop up out of nowhere and scare me. That's what he's gonna do. He's really good at that. Over 20 missing in 2 years. Captain Hal from State Police told reporters they have started a search for Helen Midkiff, a college student from North Carolina who was traveling in Louisiana. Mrs. Midkiff hasn't been heard of since the night of the 21st. Reports of missing persons in South Louisiana have increased dramatically in the past 2 years. The majority of those missing are tourists and vagrants. At least 20 people are thought to have gone missing so far. Police suspect foul play and believe there may be a connection between the incidents. Plans are in place to step up local interrogations and increase personnel to further the investigations. Alicia Ashcroft. January 19th. More on the way. Oh damn, I haven't even done this one. Oh, Jackie boy, where'd you go, huh? Yeah, he dipped out once you get a shotgun. He's like, oh, maybe I better shit this one out. He's got a dang shotgun now. Nah, he wouldn't give a shit. Oh, scared me. Made me jump. Soon we'll be able to go out there. I can't wait. Get me out of this dang house. Get me out of this smelly place. Yeah, I guess I've put it off enough. Alright, into the basement. Man, this is crazy looking. Resident Evil 7 was released lightning in a bottle. And it just worked. I haven't played Resident Evil 8. It seems like something I would love. I know I wanted to replay Resident Evil 7 before I did that. I'm sure it's awesome, and I'm gonna play it, like, it's only a matter of time. I'm probably gonna play it, like, right after I beat this again. But I just feel like going from Jack to, like, anybody else, it's like, how do you top Jack? He's such a good character. Pretty much all the Bakers, really, like, they're all pretty interesting, I guess. But I'm sure they made it work. So yeah, I'll play it eventually. Play Dommy Mommy Simulator. Go away, you dang freaks. Wish I could kill you, but I can't. The last key is mine for the take. Oh!
I was gonna be a father. Now she says he will be.
Oh no, it's the cop.
No. I will find him, and I will make him suffer. And you, my friend, will help me.
Oh, Jack. What are you talking about now, bud? Got some herb. Hell yeah, I need it. I'm stressed out, bro. Damn. He really got it bad, you know? Ew, he's all like pulsing and shit. Ew, that's gross. Everything in this game's so gross. Yeah, rest in peace, dude. Oh, you don't have enough space? Damn. Oh yeah, well, what if I do this? Oh, hell yeah. Now I see clearly. Oh, that's definitely not a trap. It's gunpowder. Ew. Jeez, everything's so gross. Oh, give me that. This has to be, like, probably the grossest Resident Evil, right? Like, all the, like, shit and... You know, it's just gross. Hey, fuck you. Stupid ass. This place is a downer. Alright, we get the shotgun. I need to get that save point. I'm gonna hit that save point and I'm gonna go down there and I'm gonna get that key. You'll see, I'm gonna get it. Hey, if anybody gets in my way, I'll give them one of these. Huh. Huh. I gotta get that dang key, brother. We're gonna step into the ring. I'm gonna get that key, brother. I'm gonna rise to the top. Ooh! You fucking asshole, what are you doing? Take that. Whoa, calm down, dude. Yeah, right in your face. You missed. Dumb guy. Yeah. What you gonna do about it? Oh no. Oh! Alright, so I'm gonna start shooting. Does that hurt? Right in the face. Gotta use them bodies. Oh, he's getting fast. He's pissed. Stop hitting me. Oh, Jesus. Oh, no, no. No!
That's not groovy.
That's not Ruby. Jack. Hold up. Okay. Well. We're in the wall. You can't get me, stupid. Oh, how do you like that view, huh? Yeah. What are you gonna do, dude? You can't get me. God, that's creepy as shit. So when he falls down and starts regenerating, you can see, like, see if I can get a good view of it here. I'm not gonna try to kill him like this, that would be boring. But if I can use it to get a good view of the shit going on with his face. Oh, there it was. Alright, well, that was weird. Yeah, so what's going on there is I was kicking those body bags, and like if you do it at like an angle, you drift into the wall. I'm sure it's a thing. It's probably documented. Think you're still big and bad?
Hey, get away!
Come here. Take one of those, huh? Oh, don't stumble, old man. You wily bastard. Don't shove me.
Guns aren't much use around here, son.
Are you sure? You. Give me one. Let's have a chainsaw fight, buddy. This guy's crazy. Stop hitting my bricks, dude. Better not break it. Ew. Big bag of goo. Come on, pistol. That was unfair. Shove him right in the paint. Yeah, that hurt, didn't it? Alright, 4 and 3 are my buttons. Save me, bodies. It was so funny, all hunched over. Palms are sweaty. Hold up, I gotta reload. Oh, damn, dude. Fuck you. You fucking asshole. Yeah, take that. Oh, shit. No, not my fucking bricks. Damn. Need some heals. Oh, we got it. We got it. We got it. Fucking hell. There's the face. Oh, what a finisher. He's still going. Oh.
Do me a favor and stay dead.
Alright. Ajax all over the floor. That's some 80s body horror shit. Love it. Look at me, I'm Jack. I'll show you. This Stick it right up your butt, dude. Oh yeah. Cut through this fucking shit like butter, dude. Fuck. I broke it. Damn it. I broke the chainsaw. Oh well, bye-bye. I better go save the game. Do I got the key? Yes, I do. I only died once? And that doesn't even count because I glitched out. I think I did a pretty good job. Pretty good for being rusty. Oh, hey, Grandma, what are you doing out here? You alright? Are you upset about something? We'll let her sit there. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Alrighty. That's enough. I've had enough. Yeah, we'll do more. Got lots to get through and things are just opening up. Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye.